Toonly versus Doodly, the best animation making software in 2021. Let's start. Today, I will tell you about Toonly and Doodly. I will tell you about their features, pricing, and what other things they both offer, and what are the differences and what are the similarities between Toonly and Doodly. So up first, we have Toonly right here. Now, Toonly is a explainer video creator. In Toonly, you create explainer simple videos. For example, like this, you can see there are different animated characters that are available in Toonly, and you make them do different actions, and you make a very simple explainer video in Toonly. But if we talk about Doodly, so in Doodly, you create a whiteboard animation, which looks like this. And what happens in Doodly is that you create animation which looks like a sketch or a whiteboard animation, and then you add different actions into it and different colors. It's like an update in the animation area, and there are like different hands are available. For example, you can see right here, you'll be able to choose between lots of different male or female hands, as well as various colors, sizes, and ethnicities to give your whiteboard animation video the perfect personalized touch. So if we compare like Toonly and Doodly in terms of characters and animation, then you can see right here that in Doodly you get different animation characters that look like this, and there are a lot of characters that are available. But in Toonly you only get few of the characters, and you can actually not customize them a bit. Like for example, in Doodly you'll be able to give a character different color, or if you want to make your character of a different ethnicity or anything else, so you can do that in Doodly, but in Toonly that's not available. So let's go to the pricing now, because I want to show you the pricing first, and then we'll discuss more of the features in Toonly and Doodly. So if we go to the pricing of Toonly, this is the pricing for Toonly right here. You can see that you get $39 per month for the standard, and then there is enterprise, which is $69 per month. So it's a reasonable price, and these are different characters that you get. And if we go to Doodly, it also has 39 and 69. So you can see that the pricing is similar, but the difference is that in Toonly you will see that you get only 30 characters. The character animation is just 17, and prop images are 1000, backgrounds are 71, and things like that. These are not that much for the price. For example, like for $39, we're only getting 30 characters, so it's a little drawback of Toonly. But when we go to Doodly, you can see right here, for $39, you get 1164 characters, and there are thousands of props, and then many fonts and everything. So Doodly is actually providing you a lot of features in the similar pricing. Now, Toonly and Doodly are owned by the same company. Keep that in mind. So it's like more of like they have kept the price similar for both of the softwares. But if we talk about the features and what are the different things they are offering, then I think they did justice in Doodly, because they did provide a good amount of features. But in Toonly, I am not impressed by the pricing and everything. So yeah, this was the pricing. Now let me show you some example videos so you get an idea how you actually make a video in Toonly and how your videos look in Toonly. As I told you, these are simple explainer videos with animation. Now I will play this video right here, and you'll get an idea. So you can see right here, I'm playing this video. This video is made on Toonly. There are two characters, a girl and a boy, and they're like animated, and you can see they're performing like similar, very simple actions. For example, they're talking, and this is the scene which is being played, and after that then there will be another scene in which they might do something else. For example, this is the start of a second scene. You can see they have added this office scene in which a guy is sitting, and he is also performing a simple action. You can see this is a explainer video. Now we'll go to Doodly, and let me show you how the videos actually look in Doodly. So if I play this video right here, this video is made in Doodly. and you will get an idea how whiteboard animation works. You can see you actually draw things, the hand draws things for you, and this is what the whiteboard animation looks like. There's this guy, and you can actually draw it, and you can also add colors into it. Now, here comes the drawback of Doodly as well. What happens in Doodly is that there are a lot of characters, but you have to buy them. Now, Doodly is expensive in this matter. For example, if this character is not unlocked, then you'll have to buy different characters over and over again. Or if you want to customize this character, you'll have to buy it. So that's a little drawback for Doodly as well. But this is what your animation will look like in Doodly. So if you're looking for something like this, you can go ahead and select Doodly right away. After that, if you want simple animation videos, then you will go with Toonly. Let me show you around different features as well. For example, you can see right here that you can, if you want to create your first video fast, you'll love Toonly's pre-made scenes. There are different pre-made scenes also available for you, in which you just customize a bit. And then there is this music option in which you can add your voiceover audio or your music into Toonly. Is so simple to add, and it literally then matches with your video. And in Doodly, you can see that we can do the same in Doodly as well. You can create different videos. For example, new Doodly Smart Draw technology allows you to use imported images as well. In Doodly, you can actually import images. In Toonly, you cannot import images. So that's also a difference. Then you can see the music option is also available. So in Toonly, you cannot actually add music, like import different kind of musics. But if we talk about Doodly, you can actually import free audio music tags, perfect for any genre. Like you can go ahead and add any of the music if you want to in Doodly. So you can see that while most of software only allows a limited number of installs, with the Doodly Whiteboard Video Maker, you'll be able to download and install in as many computers as you like. So yeah, this is also a good thing about Doodly. If we go to the reviews real quick, and we'll be able to also check out different reviews. So if we go to reviews, you can also check out different reviews that are available on both of these softwares. Most of their reviews are awesome. You can see the Doodly has 5-star reviews everywhere. So that's a good thing also, that you will be able to check out the reviews. If we go to Toonly real quick, I will show you the reviews for Toonly as well. You can see these are different reviews for Toonly, and it also has 5-star reviews. So that brings us to the end of the video. And when I say that Toonly is for different uses, so if you are a small business owner, or if you want to create simple explainer videos, then you can definitely choose Toonly. It's very great app for you to use, and you can actually make awesome animations with this. And then if you're looking for whiteboard animation and you're looking for a upgrade and you want a more upgraded and professional animation and a whiteboard animation, then you can go ahead and choose Doodly. So yeah guys, this is it for the video. I hope I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to create awesome animation videos of your own. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.